Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to edit the banner for your YouTube channel. I'm now inside my YouTube Studio dashboard, and if you don't know how to visit this page, simply go to studio.youtube.com. After arriving on this page, just go to customization from this left side menu. And below banner image, click on upload if you don't have a current YouTube channel banner. If you have one, just click on this change button and select your YouTube channel banner from your computer. If you don't have a YouTube channel banner yet, you can simply create it using Canva. Let me show you how. Just go to canva.com. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that I have a YouTube online course that you can get access today for free. Inside this YouTube basics course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with your YouTube channel. For example, how to create your channel, verify it, edit your channel name and banner, create your logo. You will also learn how to create content and upload it to YouTube. For example, how to make an intro for a YouTube video, how to write scripts, how to record laptop screen, and many things. Video optimization and management is also included. Inside it, you will learn how to replace audio in a YouTube video, how to add a link in a video description, how to add a subscribe button on a YouTube video. You will also learn how to grow and manage your channel, technical and security settings, and integration and external sharing. To get access to all of this today for free and also these online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorials. Go to canva.com, create yourself a free account and click on this create a design button. Look for YouTube banner and you will see multiple types of banner. For example, education YouTube banner, fitness, food, gaming, live stream, sport, travel. Let's create a gaming YouTube banner. Select your template from this list. Let's edit YouTube banner, for example. Editing your YouTube banner here is simple. Just double click the element you want to edit and edit it. Same thing for this photo. If you want to resize it, you can resize it like that. If you want to delete an element, just select it and click on this delete icon. And now if you want, you can drag and drop this element like that. After editing your YouTube banner, just go to this share button and select download. Now click on this download button, give it a moment. Now that the download is completed, go back to YouTube and click on this change button. Select the banner from your computer and double click it. As you see, this center part is viewable on all devices. This means smartphones, laptops, and TVs. And this part is viewable on desktop. And this part is viewable on TV. Make sure that your elements are inside this center part to be viewable on all devices. After that, click on this done button. And this is how to edit your YouTube channel banner. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.